Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove items from your cart in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to go to your cart, which is on the bottom of the screen, right corner, and if you want to remove items from your cart, you have to slide to the left and you should see that there is the remove option. You just have to click on it and it says that keep this item in your cart by deselecting it. You can still receive future deals. So deselect and keep in cart or remove. Alright, and you can see that if you slide to the right, there is the move to wishlist option. So for example, if you do not want to buy that product in that moment, but maybe you are considering it to buy it later, you can move to your wish list. You should see at the top of the screen the wish list option, so you can see that it's moved here and maybe you will order it later on. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.